Hello everyone and welcome back to Holistic Living Down Under. Today I wanted to show you how I grow and harvest my chamomile. I think herbal remedies and the benefits of herbs have been one of those sort of lost arts, and I think a lot of people are trying to get back to natural remedies and everything. Not to say that modern medicine has got nothing to do in our society. I don't agree with that. Obviously, my background as being a nurse, I can see the benefits of pharmaceuticals, but I can also see the benefits of the ancient arts of herbology. And I thought, why not grow my own herbal garden so I can use my herbs for teas and infusions and other concoctions. So today I'm going to harvest and dry my chamomile for tea, and I'll show you a couple of different ways to do that. So let's get started. I don't know if you've smelt fresh chamomile before, but I just really feel like it smells like honey. It just got this beautiful sweetness to it, and I can't wait to make this into some tea. But we're gonna have to head on in because it is starting to rain and we just got this done in time. So I'm gonna show you how I hang this up and how I dry the little tops. See you inside. It was a little bit too dark to film inside just because there's no sunshine, so I decided to set myself up outside just underneath my veranda because we got that under cover. So I thought I'd show you. So I've just got a baking tray, and those little heads that we picked off, we're going to place these into the oven on just like the very, very lowest heat setting you can possibly get. Most ovens that will be probably around 50 degrees Celsius. I will put down below what that is in Fahrenheit, but it's not very warm at all. And they're just going to sit in there until they're completely dry. You want to make sure that there's no moisture left in these, because if you store them with moisture left in them, you're going to end up with mold, and we don't want that. So we're going to dehydrate these to the oven, at the end I will show you what the results are going to look like. If you don't have a very low setting on your oven, or you don't have a dehydrator, because obviously this can also be done in a dehydrator, but I thought I'd show you how you can do it without one. Then obviously you can do it the old-fashioned way. We're going to make this little bouquets, and we're going to tie them up, and we're going to hang them upside down like this to dry. So I just brought a little bit of string. So we're going to, I've got a good place in my kitchen I can hang this up. For those of you that have seen my kitchen, I've got these little shelving units just above in the corner where my stove is. Oh, there's one little long one here. Let's just cut that off. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tie these with some string, and then we're going to make a little loop on the other end. So let's tie it up first. Just make sure they're all nice and secure. Beautiful. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a little loop in this other end here, just like a normal little, like if you were like crocheting or something. So this can now hang, because my little shelves, they've got little cast iron brackets that's holding the shelves up. They have these little swirly bits which are perfect to hang up herbs for drying. So we're going to do 2 of those little bouquets. So I'll show you a couple of different ways to do it. There we go. Chamomile are very handy because they're also self-seeding. So what you can do is you can just leave a couple of them to go to seed later on and just sprinkle them on the ground, and you're going to have lots and lots of chamomile to make into tea. Chamomile is also just brilliant. It's such a calming herb, and it is also great to give to babies over the age of 6 months. Please don't give this to younger babies, because they can only have their milk, and anything other liquid than their milk will upset their electrolyte balance. So just make sure you don't give this to babies under 6 months of age. But if you have older babies or toddlers that struggle with sleep, give them a little bit of chamomile, cool chamomile tea in the evening to help soothe them and help them go to bed. And it is perfect for us grown-ups as well. I love a cup. So this is what they're going to look like. So we're going to hang these up, and we're going to make some tea. So I'm going to show you some fresh teas. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you got inspired to maybe make your own herb garden at home. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you again next time.